going on, guys? JT here with a quick unboxing at this 18th scale brushless truck. The number for is 18859A. So this is going to be, as I mentioned, the 18th scale four-wheel drive brushless monster truck. You guys can kind of see the look there for that. I'm going to get this flipped up, and you guys can see some of the specifications and stuff there for that. So I'm going to put a link down in the description below. Look at that LED lights. That's pretty cool. I'm going to put a link down in the description below so you guys can check this out if you want to purchase it as well. I'm not sure which body comes with it, but I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to get this cracked open. Let's see what we got inside this box. All right, so this comes packaged up pretty good. So I'm going to, oh, two bodies. Look at that. Didn't even know that. Let me go ahead, because I think it's, no, it doesn't have straps on there. So this is going to be the size, as I mentioned, it is 18 scale. So that does look pretty good. And that's going to be the radio. And I'm pretty sure the charger and stuff is in here as well. So let me go ahead and get all this out in its entirety and then get back to this in just a second. All right, y'all, so getting this out, this looks pretty good. I didn't expect two bodies with it, so that's pretty cool that you actually get two bodies with it. And then looking at this package right here, you do get an extra battery in there and some extra body clips, and then also a USB charger as well. That should kind of get you up and running. And there is a second battery actually inside the vehicle with that. And then looking at the radio real quick, the radio is pretty basic, but it should fit well in an adult size hand and a child size hand. You got several adjustments on there, steering, throttle, and also a speed trim as well. So that should be pretty good with that. And then you also get your instruction manual. And as always, I say, just take a couple of minutes, look through your instruction manual, kind of see what it is, and just familiarize yourself with the car, because there could be something new in something like this. So just look at the instruction manual, just go over it real briefly. But anyway, back to this particular vehicle. I'm going to get these body clips off of here and show you guys the inside of this. So this looks pretty cool. Now this does have one of those 2-in-1 electronic speed controllers and receivers built in together. So if you were going to try to modify this a little bit later on, you will have to do some changes and adjustments. I've done this before on another car, but you guys see that little cute brushless motor right there. And then there's going to be the second battery. And I believe that with this, they didn't give you a connector for this, but I've seen a dual connector where you can run these parallel to one another and just kind of double your LiPo capacity. And I do have one of those connections for that, so I may end up doing that at some point, where I hook both LiPos up and just run it in parallel to kind of double my running time and stuff with it. But setup for it doesn't seem too bad at all. Get this out and get this running. You guys see that it does have working lights on it. See the lights and stuff there for us, so that'll be pretty cool to get that out. And looking at the shocks, they are actually threaded body, and they're aluminum threaded body shocks. So that's pretty cool, with a kind of an aluminum cap ring over top of it, so it's not plastic, so you don't have to worry about that popping off with it as well. And then the tire compound does seem to be pretty good and decent for something of this size. They're kind of all-purpose tires and wheels, but I think it'll be fine once we get this out and running. And showing you guys the underside of this, of course, the way that looks under there. It does use a Phillips head screws on there for that, which should be fine. I mean, that's going to be fine for what this is. Like I said, there's going to be a link in the description below. I'm going to look up a couple more of these specs on this motor and then also on the servo, but I think it should be good. I did see a couple of running videos of this, and I want to get this out and run this as well. I'm trying to decide on which body I'm going to run. I'm probably going to run this body on it, and then kind of more or less keep this other second body for show with that. But that's going to be a quick unboxing and look at this. Stay tuned for some running videos of this coming up really soon, because it's kind of raining outside, but I want to take this out and kind of run it in the general street. And then I'm actually going to take this to the skate park as well. I love taking these little cars to the skate park and kind of watching them run and jump. So put your comments down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. Thanks for watching.